Meet the superstar of the bird world, the one who talks, sings, and sometimes even gossips. Yes, it's the parrot. Parrots are not just pretty, they are super smart. They can copy human voices, laugh like us, and even say things like hello or pretty bird. Fun fact: some parrots can learn over 100 words, and yes, they love repeating things you wish they'd forget. Some parrots are known for their bright colors: green, blue, red, yellow, like flying crayons. And they're full of personality, noisy, naughty, and always looking for attention. What would you teach a parrot to say? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun animal facts, no feathers needed.